One of the big mistakes you are going to make in your life today is about skipping this video without learning what I'm going to show you. If you are looking for a place you can learn how to invest or how to do your own business without any capital, you understand, using only your knowledge to make business or to create business, this channel is the best channel for you. Make sure to stay with me. I always bring you videos about how you can invest and how to learn to create your own business around Africa. You understand me? So stay with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that anytime I upload a new video, you're the first person to have it without wasting your more time. Stay with me with this video and share with your family and friends.
Savings account in Ghana currently gives around 1% to 4% returns when you leave your money in your account for the whole year, whilst equity mutual funds gives you between 25 to 30% on the average for this particular year, looking at what happened last year, 2025. In this video, I'm going to share with you the various interest rates you are going to gain on your savings account, your fixed deposit, your treasury bill, your money market mutual fund, and then your equity mutual fund. So make sure you watch the video to the end. Now, if you go to most of the banks in Ghana, the savings account that you have at the moment, you are going to get between 1% to 4% interest on it. Why? Because savings account is a transactional account. It's an account for maybe just keeping some monies for emergencies. You can have access to the account anytime you want it. So that's why the interest currently is between 1% to 4%, depending on how much money you have in the account. If you go to fixed deposit, mainstream banks, you are going to get between 5% to about 8% maximum, depending on the amount of money that you have. Fixed deposit is also a very low risk investment. You can have access to the money. It's usually between a month to 12 months, depending on when you want to do it. Anytime you want to cash out your money, you can walk to the bank, fill up a form, and then you'll be able to take it. It's also for specific projects, let's say 3 months project, 1 year project. You just keep the money there, you lock it up. If you want more, you can go to savings and loan institution like Bayport. They can give you the region between 13 to about 15% at the moment. So if you want to stay with the banks, it's between 8% to 5%. Now, the next level of investment that you can also find is the treasury bills. Treasury bill rate currently ranges between about 10.8% all the way to about 12%. That's also similar to fixed deposit. It's for short-term purposes. So you have a short-term need, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. You go for treasury bills, and that's the current rate, about 10%, 10.8 to about 12%, 13%, depending on whether it's discounted or the interest rate. The next one that you can also think of is money market mutual fund. Money market mutual fund, currently the rate is between about 11% to 14%. Looking at what happened last year, the funds are usually invested into treasury bills and fixed deposit and other instruments that the bank can also place their monies in. They are looking at investment that has low risk, so that's where the money should be placed. That is also for people that want to look at capital preservation. You want to go into an investment where your fund will not lose value that much above inflation. So money market is also a very good option for you, and that's the rate between 11% to 14%. Now, the last one I want to talk about is equity mutual fund. Equity mutual fund, companies that are into that, they take up your money, you and I, our monies, and then they invest them into shares. Currently, if you are looking at the trend from last 2 years, we are projecting that this year, 2026, equity mutual fund will give you between 25 to 30% if the shares continue to appreciate as we have seen in the past. So guys, if you want to go into savings account, fixed deposits, treasury bills, money market, equity mutual fund, these are the projected rates that we have at the moment. Make sure you align your goals to suit the option that works for you. Don't just go for equity mutual fund if you're not looking at saving or investing for, let's say, 2 to 5 years. That's a long-term investment. Money market mutual fund is a short-term investment. Same for treasury bills, fixed deposit, and then savings is more like a transactional investment account.